I am a big fan of cat face paint, so when Simone told me that she wanted to do a leopard face paint on her quick and easy face painting tutorials, I was really excited. So to start out, we need some white by Maron on a face painting sponge, and with this we do the nose part, or just under the nose part, and the eyes of the face. And once the white is on there, we continue to a split cake by Diamond Effects. So this one is called Mother Nature. It has lovely green, yellow and white in there, and it is perfect to create this fantasy leopard face paint with. So Simone just put some face paint on the nose and on the cheeks, and even the ears of our leopard are created with this same sponge. So just push it together a bit, and then you can create the ears, dabbing it around on the forehead. This might need some practice, but once you've got the hang of it, it is easy enough to do. Once all the colors from the split cake are on the skin, we continue to Diamond FX Black. To create the eyes, the nose, the lips, and of course the fur of our leopard. And I think the key in making fur like this is not to think about it too much. Just wiggle your brush on the skin and see what beautiful fur appears. Here are the C shapes that are typical for a leopard, of course. Simone doesn't put a lot of them on the skin, but just enough to make this into a leopard. And the perfect lipstick for this paint is Peacock. That is a dark green metallic color by Superstar. And Simone also puts a little bit of that peacock color in those C shapes. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up.